Hello everyone! Welcome to my very first studio vlog. So I haven't ever done a studio vlog before, so I don't really know what they're supposed to be like, but I guess this is a semi-vlog, rant, chill time, speed paint type of thing. I might try to do much more vloggy type of stuff in the future, so if you do want to see stuff like my studio or look at sketchbooks that I have or art supplies that I use or watch me just walk around in the city, do let me know in the comments below so then I know what type of content you guys want to see. But yeah, today will be just a very simple little speed paint and I'll just be updating you guys with life. So before I jump right into the little rambles and updates, I'll talk to you a little bit about today's drawing. So I have been super obsessed with mermaids for a really long time. Probably ever since I first started drawing, I just really liked mermaids. And I've been trying to find out different and fun ways to design my mermaids because, I mean, a mermaid has a tail, she's in the water, there's not that much about a mermaid. So I wanted to make them a little bit more fun, so I've decided to do a little challenge for myself in the recent months. So what I've done is I've made adoptables, designing flower and mermaid hybrids, and today I'm doing some fruit ones. So for today's painting I did a dragon fruit. So dragon fruits are very unique. They look very interesting. When I first saw a dragon fruit I was like, that looks really pretty. I have no idea what that is. So I was like, oh hey, I should try that out. So how I came about the design for the dragon fruit mermaid is I looked at first on a dragon fruit. So what is so distinct about a dragon fruit is, first of all, its color and its shape. So there are two main colors for a dragon fruit from the outside. So that's the pink and the green. I wasn't too sure about including the inside flesh of the dragon fruit because it might make it a bit too gory or disturbing because of the seeds. So I just wanted to keep with the dragon fruit pink and green. So another element which is very distinct about dragon fruits is its shape. So when you look at a dragon fruit, it's kind of like it starts off in a circle, then it kind of peaks at the top or the bottom. So that's one thing which I really wanted to incorporate into the mermaid. So by incorporating the peak, I tried to do it through her hair, her earrings and her tail, as well as adding small little green elements throughout her tail to make it look more like a dragon fruit. So for this painting, I was a little iffy and nervous about the art supplies. So I have recently uploaded a video showing a little review of Ohuhu's set of 24 watercolors, and I was like, oh hey, I might give these guys some more experiments and give it another go. I really liked their rose color, so I was like, oh hey, I finally have the chance to try it out on this painting. So I was like, oh hey, let's just paint a dragon fruit with these new rosy colors. So that's pretty much why I wanted to try the Ohuhu paint today. So other than their rose color, I believe I used their emerald green as well as their Viridian and Prussian blue for the background, which you will see much later in the video. These are probably my favorite colors from the set, so I was like, yay, I get to use my favorite colors, I get to paint dragon fruit mermaids. So this was a really fun little speed paint that I did today. So I do hope you guys like these type of videos. I have a few more fruits which I'm thinking of doing, but do let me know your favorite fruit or what types of fruit you would like to see as a mermaid. Okay, now moving on to the little life update vlog segment. So I know it's been 2020 for quite a while, and I don't know, I just really hope that this year I'll be able to post a lot more videos, because 2019 was just a very lazy year for me, and I hope that this year I'll be able to be more active and try to post more content for you guys. So to make my life more active in terms of the art community and in terms of my art practice, I have been doing a lot more. So I've recently uploaded and started my first webtoon series. It's called Dreamcatcher and Nightmare. So they're based around two characters, and they're two sisters. Nightmare is the older one, Dreamcatcher is the younger one. And the story is a little bit about dreams. So how we have dreams, where our dreams come from, and who's responsible for them. Like, I guess we might think that science is responsible for making our dreams, but who knows, it could even be little ghosts which live in the clouds. So that's basically what the webtoon is all about. It has a bit of drama, a bit of dark history, which I think is pretty interesting. So I hope you guys enjoyed that as well. I guess that's one part of the proactive art practice which I've been trying to push forward. So I hope you guys do check that out. I'll link the webtoon in the description, and hopefully I'll also be able to be more active on YouTube. I am planning out a few new videos which I will be doing. Hopefully I will be able to upload a video a week, maybe a fortnight, probably a fortnight, maybe a month, but I'll try my best to upload as frequently as I can and just be more active with you guys. Oh yes, also I am on my 4th and final honors year for uni. So for those who don't know, I am doing a design degree in combination with a media degree, but this year I'm just doing design for my final honors year, and I'm really scared, to be honest, because I've always been low self-esteem and low confidence in terms of my design. So I really do hope that I enjoy this year. I am excited to dedicate a whole year for a massive project, but I'm also very scared. So wish me luck for my final year at uni, and hopefully I do well. Oh gosh, I feel like I'm rambling a lot about a lot of different things, but I hope you guys do enjoy the video so far. And if you have any types of video content such as sketchbook tours or tutorials or just chill speed paints like these, do let me know in the comments, and I'll try to upload more videos like those for you guys. So thank you guys so much for joining me on this new year video journey, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Oh yes, don't forget, I also have a Patreon, so you can check that out. I give enamel pins to every patron every month, and that's extremely exclusive to them, so do check that out. Bye!